Welcome back. It's going to be a quick one. So if you follow the channel at all, and I have the two barrels for this one Thompson Center Hawken, and I'm trying to get both sights regulated on the peep, but what I ended up with was I had to offset this front, make a adjustable front, and then the rear. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it. The peep is offset to the right. So I figured out why. This short barrel is curved, and I have this surface plate here, and I can get this 14th thou, get a 14th thou feeler in there. Let's see this side. And I think if we do the math, well, can't quite get a 15. And if I lay it on this side too, it rocks. So that agrees with what I'm seeing with the sights. This barrel is bent to the left up towards the front end. I got them both to print. Let's see, I had the short barrel here, the long barrel here originally. I moved the long barrel over, and then I moved the rear over to here. So this short barrel is going to be printing like right here, and then the long barrel a little bit higher. But I want to clean up the sight arrangement after the season, and that means we're going to have to straighten that barrel.